Hello all, welcome to Khatri 3D, and in this video I will scrub the Thina model. It will be a stylized version which Angelina Jolie played a role, and the first and most important steps you could do to sculpt a likeness is to find a lot of references, because references are your best friends, and the more you spend time finding the references, it's easier for you to sculpt out the likeness, because it's 3D and you would have to think through the 3D. For example, find the pictures facing straight forward, and pictures having facing the profile pictures, for example, and the third quarter pictures, and with the good lighting, because the flat lightnings are not a good source of references. If the light is casting shadows on the face, you could see the bony landmarks easily. So try to find the references with good lighting. Now what I do is I sculpt the initial basic stages of the face, then I go on and sculpt the basic form of the body, and I would like to block out the basic body first, because when I block out the whole body, it's easier for me to understand the sculpt. Then after that my initial stages and thinking would to give it a pose. For example, in this example I tried to give her the pose of Storm character from the Marvel's X-Men, and I tried to give it the similar pose, and I found the reference is similar, because during sculpt, posing, or even polypainting you would need a good references are your best friend. So I gave her a Storm pose, and now have blocked out the polypaint as well. So initial blocking out the character and giving it a basic polypaint is a good step for the beginners and for me to understand the whole character. Now I am just separating the part, and I will use the extract feature to sculpt and make the suit of her. And after extracting it, I gave it some multiple subdivision levels, and I am sculpting the gunlet, or you could say the armor pieces, and piece by piece it is done. Okay, for example, I block out the initial body, face, then suit, then armor, and all these stuffs, and by the end of the day I came back to the face, and I am trying to bring the likeness, because for the stylization you would need to make the likeness first, then turn into a stylized version. In this video, and in this video I'm using the Voila app to find the stylized version of the Angelina Jolie. For example, the Voila app is really useful. It is used in the Android app, and you can also find it in the Apple phones, and I tried to use it the real life references in this app to find the stylized version of the Angelina Jolie, and I sculpted it this way. So it's a very good piece of software if you want the reference picture of someone you would to do a stylized face. And the exact method I'm using is to sculpt and carve out the initial armor pieces of the model, and bit by bit I'm completing all these stuffs. While I have made the other armor pieces, I am using the same method, appending a sphere and just duplicating stuff, shaping up with the move brush, giving it the subdivision level, and using edge polish to make it more clean. And just like how traditional sculpt artists work, they go from primary forms to secondary form, then tertiary form. Now for the stylized version, we don't add details much, and with this piece of cloth, now I am modeling a cloth. The standard brush and clay brush are the best brushes for making the stylized cloth. I am using again the Marvel references, and just adding folds and stuffs, and to make it more like a cloth. You can also use the cloth brushes or cloth simulation edit in the latest 2021. version. It is it is not the latest. Now the 2022 version is also released, and that is how I am wrapping up this whole sculpt. I am just in the end of this sculpt. I am making the leg pieces and giving it the tertiary forms, and while giving the tertiary forms I am also keeping in mind the overall shape of the design. For example, we also have to think about the overall shape, silhouette and proportions. It is very important, and sometimes while adding details we tend to forget about these things. And now I am filling up the remaining parts, which is this crown. And for this I use the old method, appending spheres, then using move brush to make it like a crown. I use move brush a lot, then I use clay brushes. And uh, now I am almost at the end of this sculpt, and I am sculpting the gunlet. Now for sculpting the gunlet, it is very important to use the edge polish or trim dynamic to make it hard surface. There are certain hard surface brushes you could use to make the organic shapes into hard surface. You just have to search for it. Either I use edge polish or trim dynamic. Now for the base I didn't use much of a reference. I was thinking about making it ready for 3D print, and for the 3D print the base is not needed, but the shape of the model like this, a base would be required to make it a proper 3D print model, because we have to put it somewhere. Its leg won't hold the weight of the whole model. Now at the beginning of this video I sculpt out the basic hair, and now I'm using the hair strand brushes. You can easily download it free from the internet and fill up the remaining parts of the head. And now I'm almost done with the sculpt, and filling up the eyebrows, extracting it and sculpting the bottom eyebrows. And this is how I sculpt the Athena model. This is it folks. If you like my video, subscribe it and share with your friends, and I'll be back with the short tips and tricks and time lapses like this. And good luck, and thank you for watching.